I'm Lindsay Ralston, and this is Painting with Bleach on a Sweatshirt. This project is really a fun way to have a wearable piece of art in a couple hours or less. You simply take some scissors, some paper, and put some bleach into a spray jug and make a really, really cool sweatshirt. Let's get started. I'm actually using a spray jug to do the painting part of this, and you want to have your spray jug with 50% bleach and 50% water. You also want to set it to the spray setting and not the stream setting. Next step is to go ahead and lay some plastic sheeting out. I'm just laying this out outside. Lay some plastic sheeting out, put your sweatshirt down on the side that you want to have the bleach art done. And then you want to take, I cut out hashtag symbol because I am not talented with drawing, and so my shapes tend to be really simple. So I cut out a hashtag for this sample. Cut out your artwork on paper, lay it down onto the sweatshirt where you want it. And then you just take your bleach that you've got mixed in your spray jug and start spraying, lightly spraying over the sweatshirt and over the paper that you've laid down. Once you're done spraying, lift the paper off immediately and let it sit for about 30 minutes and watch as your bleach starts to make that art come to life. When it's all done, you're going to take it and run it through the wash and dryer, and then you're ready to wear.